morning everybody, welcome back to my channel and my name is Naisa Punya. Today we are going to make a wind chimer. For making the wind chimer, we are going to use an eraser, a pencil, a pair of scissors, different colored wool strings, and we are also going to use different colored A4 size sheets. So let's get started. We are going to fold a blue colored A4 size sheet in half. Then we are going to draw different size clouds on it, like this. Now we are going to use the scissors to cut them. After we have cut all the clouds, we are going to erase the pencil marks. I have made 4 clouds. You can make as many clouds as you want. I had drawn 4 clouds, but do you remember we had drawn them and cut them on a folded A4 size sheet. So in total there are 8 clouds. We are going to start making them into 3D clouds. First, let's start with the smallest ones. I have taken these small clouds. First, we are going to put them together like this. Now, we are going to fold them in half, just like this. And then we are going to open them, and using the pencil we are going to mark half of the line that we have folded, like this. Now we are going to use the scissors to cut the line, like this. Now we have 2 clouds which have been cut from the center. Now we are going to put them together like this. And here we go. We have a 3D cloud. Now let's put this aside. Now I'm going to make more of these 3D clouds. Now I have finished making my 3D clouds and they look so cute. After making the 3D clouds, we are going to start with making the 3D hot air balloons. For making the hot air balloons, I am going to use the colors yellow, pink and red. First, we are going to fold all the A4 size sheets. Before we start drawing, we are going to use the colors that we have decided for the upper part. What we are going to do is, we are going to open them and we're going to put them like this. Together. Now let's start drawing. For the upper part, we are going to draw a drop-like shape. You can draw as many as you like. It should be thicker. Like this. I'm going to draw 4 of these. So in total, we are going to have 8. So in total, we are going to have 8 pink and 8 yellow. We are going to make a hot air balloon by mixing 1 yellow and 1 pink. Now I will cut them. Before I cut them, I'm going to teach you how to make the baskets. The baskets are very easy. First, we are going to make these kind of shapes like brackets, and then we are going to connect them. After connecting them, we are going to make big brackets and we are going to connect them. Now we are going to cut them all. Marker to make designs on the cutouts. After making the patterns, we are going to start making them 3D. For making them 3D, we are going to put them together. Then we are going to fold them in half. Like this. Then we're going to cut half from the bottom part of the pink one. Like this. And on the yellow one, we are going to cut it from the top. Like this. Then we're going to put them together. If it's not fitting, then you can increase the cut just a little bit. Here we go. Now I'm going to make more of them. As you can see, I have made 2 of the hot air balloons upper parts. Now I'm going to show you how to make one of the wind chimers. You can make the rest on your own. So I'm going to take a color thread. Then I'm going to take a cloud. Like maybe I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to put this thread along the cloud like this. I'm going to make a knot. So like this, I have made one of my wind chimers. Now you can use glue to paste the basket here, and I'm going to show you how to put the upper part of the hot air balloon. We are going to put it around like this, and when we come at the bottom, when the thread comes at the bottom, we are going to make a knot. You can also make a double knot if you like. But remember that the knot should be on the top of this part, like this. I'm going to make a double knot so that it is secure. So just like this, one of my wind chimers are ready. Now I'm going to paste this here and I'm going to show it to you. After I have put glue here, I'm going to put one more basket here. Like this. Now I'm going to cut it just like the shape of the basket that is in the front, so that it looks like one basket only.